Moving on to our next set of fighters, ladies and gentlemen, introducing out of the red corner, weighing 65.8 kilos, representing Headhunters, featherweight division. Let's make some noise for Liston Winston! Introducing his opponent, representing Team Karan, weighing 65.8 kilos, featherweight division. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for Haimo!
more, 25 more. Peace all. 20, 20 more. ಜಲ್ದಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Obey my command at all time. Keep it clean as much as possible. Touch gloves. Let's go.
We have
Lisdon versus Haiman.
yeah. We have Lisdon versus Haiman. Lisdon from red corner, Haiman from the blue corner. Round one to start in a couple of seconds. What interesting fights. And what a production department, giving amateur fighters such a platform to showcase his talent. Now round one, start. Liswan versus Haiman. Liswan trying to center of the cage, pressing forward. Both of them ready to check their kicks. Both the fighters are calm, trying to figure out each other. Beautiful outside leg kick by Haiman. And corner advice from the red corner, start checking leg kicks. Liswan trying to go for a tip, but he was out of the range. Now, Haiman is using his base properly. He's very composed. Haiman is composed, using his reach properly, going for the inside and outside leg kicks. Both the fighters, that are beautiful. If you notice, that was a leg exchange between leg kicks, the shin to shin.
Yeah.
That hurts, man. When shin to shin hurt, it hurts. A beautiful.
Haiman goes for a takedown. Okay, Haiman now gets a takedown. He's on guard.
Haiman inside guard. Liswan trying to control the posture. Haiman is trying to drag Liswan towards the cage. But a good smart move by Liswan. He's trying to control the posture, Haiman. He's not trying to frame up and land some pounds.
Hyman still on top, trying to control the direction which this fight is gonna go ahead. The ref wants Lisdon holding the gloves. In the final 10 seconds of round 1.
Round 2 to begin. Lisdon from the red corner and Hyman from the blue corner. So now Lisdon is taking the center, but Hyman is also in the center. Both are trying to tee off. He's doing a feint. Lisdon is trying to feint through his leg kicks, but Hyman is not reacting to those. Hyman is very confident in his striking. Beautiful body kick attempt, but it was just out of the another body kick. This one landed though. Beautiful jab and cross. Out of the reach. Another beautiful hold of clutch. Now he was trying to go for takedown, but a beautiful double leg attempt by holding the leg.
Single leg.
Now Lisdon trying to go for the guillotine and controlling the front headlock system and trying to go for an ace, but Hyman going for the takedown. Lisdon using the underhook to angle out.
No. He's throwing good knees to Hyman's body and they are landing. That definitely takes a toll on the energy. And they are
Both are disengaged. Hyman is trying to press forward. A beautiful tip by Lisdon. Both the fighters are exchanging tapes.
Oh, that was
cross.
a beautiful cross by Lisdon, and he lands it clean. And now Hyman is defending by taking Lisdon down.
So Hyman is trying to pass the guard and frame and punch. Beautiful. Hyman is now framing and punching. Lisdon is trying to control the posture. A good work doing by Hyman by controlling his posture and landing the blows. But Hyman is trying to create space, throw the kicks. He should be careful of the up kicks. And again, Hyman ended up in Lisdon's guard. This is a good position for Hyman. I think last 10 seconds left. You can go for a barrage of punches from that position. A good second round by both the fighters. Heading to third round. gate.
We're at the
Third round.
and final round.
So let's
Lisden
not start with the
opens
type.
up with a front body kick.
Both the fighters exchanging leg kicks. Let's see who's going to put the pressure. Lisden is opening up a lot of front legs and front leg kicks and teeps. Both the fighters. I think they should stick to their game plan. Beautiful knee in the clinch from Lisdon, but a good control here from Heyman, a good cage control. He secured the underhook and he's trying to finish the takedown. He's keeping his head right in place. And Lisdon is also protecting himself properly. He's having good base and trying to not go down, control himself. And striking, being from the cage. Both the fighters are trying to. Now again, Lisdon is back here in the center. They're going to pace, Pranit, actually. The pace they're maintaining is decent pace. They're not getting tired. I think they have trained good.
They are well conditioned.
The camp
yes.
shows it. Well-conditioned fighters.
Oh, Hyman goes for a
Beautiful
takedown
double leg.
and he gets it. So Hyman in the guard, throwing punches from the top. I think Lisden is trying to attempt a triangle.
Now, Hyman is on top control, controlling posture and landing some ground and pound. Lisdon is trying to attempt some submissions, but Hyman has a good base. He's keeping a good base and he's landing the ground and pound. Hyman needs to pivot his hips to. Lisdon needs to pivot his hips to do any sort of submission threats. He doesn't want to stay. I would not recommend Lisdon to stay there on the ground at the third round. I think he should create space and get up or else try submission attempts. A beautiful armbar attempt right here.
He has an armbar.
Beautiful
and Hyman
submission
taps out.
victory from Lisdon. At the last moment, an armbar. What a victory by Lisdon. A beautiful victory. A beautiful fight with both fighters, but Lisdon at the end using his jiu-jitsu skills got the armbar, and there was nowhere Heyman was supposed to go due to the cage being blocking him. A beautiful fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the winner. Winner by submission armbar. Let's make some noise for the winner from the red corner, Lisdon!